I have a Cadillac SRX here. Got wiped out in the front.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Honda Civic here. This one got hit in the side. It destroyed the B-pillar right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sit this on there, and so I got these doors all fit up to the new B-pillar rocker section. So this one is actually ready to weld on. I'm going to I got this one ready for fill. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the blankets off and get this one out of my way, send it over to Eric to do the fill work on the 3 seams, and I'm going to dive into my next one. I have a Cadillac SRX here. This one got wiped out in the front, gets a bunch of new parts, new cooling system, headlights, all that good stuff. Then it also gets this lower tie bar completely destroyed in this area. I'm going to make a couple quick pulls and roughly pull out this damage before I start cutting that piece off. Then it also gets this new right side apron piece, which is a weld-on part and a bolt-on center tie bar, as well as a new upper rail assembly here. It actually buckled it right here where it collapsed at. The way this is double layered, there's no good way to repair that, so it's going to get this new piece as well. I just realized I also have this plate. It's getting replaced as well. It's folded up down here at the bottom, so I'm going to cut that off.